Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be doing an amazing review on Turtle Wax tire foam. So let's get right into this review. So before I go ahead and demonstrate this product to you, I just want to talk a little bit about it. So Turtle Wax tire foam is good for cleaning dirt and road grime. So if you're out there driving your car on the streets or on the highway and your tires are looking pretty dirty, this product right here would do just the trick of getting it nice and clean. It actually restores your tires to looking like black and beautiful how they used to look when you purchased your car. It also protects your tire walls against UVAs and UVBs, and this actually causes the side walls of your tire to prematurely crack and fade away. And this product is good at protecting your tire from that happening. So it also, like I said, leaves your tires looking shiny. And yeah, this is a product that I definitely use all the time, and I want to go ahead and show you how to use this amazing product on your tires. All right, so the first thing you want to do, you want to go ahead and shake the product before you use it. And another recommendation that I highly recommend is that you make sure that you, if you have like road dirt or mud on your tires, you might want to wipe that off first, because that way you'll have a better result. So you can go ahead and shake it well, and you're gonna keep 6 inches away from the tire. You're gonna spray evenly around the tire wall. So I'll go ahead and show you right now. Evenly around the tire wall. All right, so and another thing you want to realize, you want to be cautious not to spray it on your brakes or inside of your tire, because it can also like cause a little bit of damages to your tire. So yeah, you're gonna let it sit there and dry, and you don't need to wipe it. You could just walk away, and it's gonna look shiny and black and beautiful. Also, if you spray a little bit of excess of this on your tire, you might want to wipe it off, because it does leave spots on your concrete. As you can see right here, I'm using this on a gravel road right here, right in front of my garage. So for me, it really doesn't matter if it leaves any spots on here. Also, just want to emphasize that you don't even have to wipe it off. You just spray it and walk away, and it's going to do the rest on its own. All right, everyone. So to end this review, I just want to say that I highly recommend this Turtle Wax tire foam. First of all, it protects your car from UVAs and UVBs, and it helps to protect your tire sidewall from prematurely cracking and fading over time. It gives a good shine to your car. It helps cleans the road grime and dirt off your tires of your car. So a highly effective product for your car tires. And I just want to say thank you for watching this review.